The logistics center at managed mobile services provider Stratix is always busy. Thousands of packages arrive and depart from here daily from all over the world. It means accuracy and speed are critical. The team must know what's in every package and where it needs to go. Boxes often have multiple barcodes, one for every mobile device inside. It takes pinpoint control with a traditional scanner to capture each barcode individually.
The main problem was, well, there's two problems, the accuracy of our scans and the speed of our scans. We have many barcodes on the label itself, and you have to pick a certain one. Like on this example here, it's the second one down. You see how little these barcodes are, and to have to go with your hand and, to cover the other ones and scan is very time consuming. Plus the stuff comes on a pallet. And so the people are constantly bending down and stretching stuff, so you can risk hurting their backs or whatever. And just because of this, you end up missing barcodes on occasion. And then when it's all said and done and you're supposed to have 500 and you end up with 499, you got to start all over.
Stratix combined iPhone Pro Max with Scandit Express, a no-code smart data capture application. With the Scandit Express application, employees scan and record multiple barcodes in real time. It's super fast and highly accurate, eliminating rescans and scanning the wrong barcodes. A label can be scanned repeatedly, but Scandit Express is set up to only capture unique barcodes, significantly reducing errors. iPhone's excellent connectivity ensures the data flows right into Stratix's logistics management system.
With the Scandit Express is, again, I'm old school, I'm used to traditional barcode scanners. I was not optimistic about this working initially, but I found it works so well with the iPhone, and the thing's so portable, you carry that, anybody can carry that in their pocket and stuff, and it turns out it's even a lot less expensive than having to buy a bunch of scanners, because everybody has iPhones here. I was not optimistic, but when we started using it, I actually was pretty blown away on its accuracy, its speed. We had examples where the barcode might be a little worn or something, and the regular scanner doesn't scan it, but that Scandit did. It's interesting because it offers an intelligent solution in the sense that, with the old scanners, they're a dummy scanner. They're gonna scan whatever you point. With the Scandit, we already got it coded in what barcodes not to include and stuff. So when we're covering over all these barcodes here, it knows just what barcodes to grab, so there's no chance of grabbing the wrong ones. I'll give you an example. We received a bunch of product a while ago, and we needed to scan the serial numbers, but the person was scanning the IMEI numbers. Nothing was caught. You wouldn't know this until you get to picking. At the point of picking, we found out that the stuff was all scanned wrong, caused a huge mess in order to get that stuff pushed through. The way Scandit integrates with our logistics management system is we're scanning everything straight to a spreadsheet. And the beauty of that is the fact that we can clean up that spreadsheet before it's uploaded into our Oracle system.
Stratix uses Scandit Express in multiple workflows. When packages first arrive, the application scans the shipping barcodes. Employees get alerts for packages that are urgently needed, and they pull them out and take them to the department in Stratix that needs them. In receiving, Scandit Express parses all the barcodes on packages that show what's inside to update Stratix's inventory. And then the speed of Scandit Express makes ongoing inventory cycle counts a snap. Scandit Express on iPhone has reduced the time it takes a Stratix logistics worker to process deliveries and shipments by 50%.
The Scandit Express software allows us to capture all the data, any of the data that we want. There's been a constant ask on the receiving department to capture serial numbers and IMEI numbers in the same document. We've been unable to do that in past experiences using our regular system without having to double scan.
Some of the old school people that work here that's been doing receiving for many years, it was a fight with them to get them to switch. They believe their way is faster, they believe their way is better, but we put them to the test. We would set up pallets of both, and we proved that the Scandit Express software was much more faster and much more accurate and did win them over. Switching over to Scandit Express, it we've found it saves over 50% in savings and stuff, in the amount of time it takes to receive this and all.